Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shara Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix hanging your phone in any Android devices, right? So I'm gonna talk about some of the possible workarounds so I'm not wasting time. So first thing what you have to do is you have to go to settings, right? Then you have to go to settings, then you have to go for system update. As you can see, you have to select this. Then you have to go for software update, right? As you can see that my device which I'm using right now is up to date. So here there is an issue with the Wi-Fi issue, so it's not getting checked. It will keep on checking. So once you reach over here, if the kind of updates is available, you can go for update, or else what you have to do is you just have to click here at the top right? Now as you can see, there are two options. It's called auto download over Wi-Fi, update overnight, right? You have to cancel both these, right? You have to cancel these as well as these two, right? So when you when you disable both these things, when you're connected to the Wi-Fi, even though when you're connected to the Wi-Fi, it won't get auto downloaded, right? So most of the people used to keep this enabled. So this makes the phones really hang, right? So you have to disable these two things. This is the first step which we have to do, right? Then you have to go back to the settings. Go back to the home screen. Then from here you have to go to Play Store, right? From the Play Store, now you have to click at top left. There is a hamburger button at the top left. You have to click this. Then you have to go for settings, right? As you can see, there are two options. It's called auto update apps as well as auto play videos, right? You have to disable both these, right? As you can see that when I'm selecting auto update app, now it is over Wi-Fi. So which means when my device is connected to the Wi-Fi, it will definitely automatically get updated so that it reduces our performance, the device performance, as well as it makes our phone really hang. So that to avoid this, what you have to do is you have to go for don't auto updates, right? When you go for this one and you go for done, you can update the apps, but you have to search in the Play Store, just like usually you have to search here. Then you have to give the manual permission to get updated, right? No more auto update will be working properly hereafter, right? Once again, there is one more thing also you have to go do the same. So there is called auto play videos, right? You have to select this. And also you have to keep the same don't auto play videos. You have to select this and go for done, right? These two things you have to do. This will fix most of the times. This will fix the issue on hanging, right? Now let's get back to the home screen, and now you have to follow these instructions. As you can see that some of the apps in the background, like these are some of the default apps, which is internally apps are there. So now you have to disable these apps. To do this, you have to go to settings, right? Then you have to go for apps. You have to click on apps, right? From here you have to click on apps at the top, right? Now you have to scroll down a little bit, right? And you have to select any default app which you can disable completely. I'm not saying about uninstalling, but I'm saying about disabling it completely. So you have to Google Play Music, you have to select this, and there is an option just called disable, which you have to go for disable, right? Now disable the app, right? Now I'm not using this app, so this will not be available hereafter, and it is completely disabled. So this is one of the steps which you have to try when you're having the hanging issues on your devices. This can fix the most of the time. And now I want to talk about the last one, not the least, but this is very important when coming to solve the hanging issues on any Android devices, right? To do this, you have to go to settings. Then you have to go for about phone at the bottom. You have to click this. Then you have to go for build number here, right? You have to enable developer options. So enable developer options, you have to tap on this for 7 times. So I am already a developer, so you have to tap here for 7 times. So then you will be getting a message, a greeting such a way that you are now a developer. Then you have to go back, right? Then you have to go for go back. Then you have to select system updates. Then you have to go for developer options and make sure it is enabled, right? So once after it is enabled, you have to scroll down a little bit, right? You have to scroll down a little bit where you have to do following instructions, right? So now once you scroll down a little bit, now you have to select few things, right? I'll be showing you in between. Now after you're selecting the developer options, you have to scroll down. Then you have to select this one. Under apps, you have to select background process limit. You have to click this. Now as you can see that it is enabled to the standard limit. Now I have to change this, right? Now I have to make sure it to no background process. So once you made this to no background process, it means you will not be getting any kind of notifications which usually used to pop up in here. So what happens is, for example, if any kind of message you receive from the friends from the WhatsApp will not be available in the notification, but instead if you open the particular app, you'll be getting the message over there. So this means we are completely restricting all kind of background process happening in our devices. So this can help us to increase our performance, and it will be reducing the hanging issues. Then apart from that, you have to come in between above here. Then you have to do small changes in the animations. So here you can see there are 3 options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, as well as animation duration scale. Now what you have to do is you have to select each one of these and you have to make it off. Right, you have to go for transition animation scale, go for off. In the same way, you have to go for window animation scale and make it completely off. Right, once you're done with that, you just have to get back and make sure in all the time which I request, this is not a step, but even though when there is so much amount of things running in the background, you can clear the entire things, just like you can clear the entire thing and just make it optimal condition so that it can have a good performance. So when you're having hanging issues, try these 4 to 5 steps which I mentioned above. This can fix almost every hanging issues for any Android devices, right? So I hope this video is helpful. We have done a lot of research on this, and we realized that these are the facts and steps which can help our viewers as well as subscribers to help them reduce the hanging issues on any Android devices. Right, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification, and you can ask any kind of doubts as well as comments in the comment section so that we can improve ourselves, as well as if you ask it out, we can get back to you. Right, this is Shahin signing off from Get Your Tips. And one more thing I wanted to make you notice is keep practice social distance and be safe and stay safe in this COVID-19 pandemic happening across us. And if you find this video helpful, really worth enough, you can subscribe our channel for more these kind of videos.